Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn the exterior angle property. Let's start. Exterior angle. As the name says, exterior means outside a triangle. So let's consider triangle ABC. Now let's extend BC to the point D. So BC has been extended up to the point D. Now the angle formed here is called as the exterior angle. So this angle formed by any of the side of a triangle and the extension of its adjacent side. So here we have taken the side as AC and we have extended the adjacent. So BC. So BC is the adjacent to AC. So AC is the side and BC to D we have extended. So the angle that is formed, that is angle ACD, the red angle, is called as the exterior angle to the triangle. So this is the exterior angle. So exterior angle is formed by one of its sides and the extension of its adjacent side. So like that, we can see here angle ACD is an exterior angle as it lies outside the triangle ABC. Like that, so we can extend and get an exterior. Suppose we are extending CA to E. So here we are considering AB as one of its side and AC the extended side. Now you can see here the CA side is extended to E. So here we get another exterior angle. Similarly, suppose we extend AB up to the point F. So here we get another exterior angle made by the line segment BC, that is one of its sides, and the extension of its adjacent. So extension of AB. So AB we have extended and we are using the side BC, then we get another exterior angle. Now let's see exterior angle property. Let's consider triangle ABC and extend one of its side BC up to D. So here this is the exterior angle. So the property says exterior angle is the sum of the two interior opposite angles. Now let's see what are the interior opposite angles. Here angle A and angle B. So these two are called as the interior opposite angles. Since the angle ACD is the exterior, angle ACB will be the interior. So it's opposite angles. You can see that angle A and angle B. So angle ACD will be equals to angle A plus angle B. As the theorem says, exterior angle is the sum of the two interior opposite angles. So angle ACD will be equals to angle A plus angle B. Now let's see how it works. So for this, let us draw a line parallel to the side AB. Let it be CM. So from the point C, we have drawn a line parallel to AB. So AB is parallel to CM. So here we get two parallel lines, and if we consider AC is the transversal. So BA and CM are two parallel lines and AC is the transversal. So we can see here angle BAC is equals to angle ACM. So these are alternate interior angles. As we can see here, they form alternate interior angles. So angle BAC is equals to angle ACM. Similarly, if we consider BC as the transversal, now we can see if BC is the transversal, then angle ABC, that is angle B, is equals to angle MCD. So they form a corresponding angles. So here we can see the angle ACD is the combination of two angles, that is the green one and the blue one. So green one is angle A and the blue one is angle B. So here we can say angle ACD is equals to angle A plus angle B. So exterior angle is the sum of two interior opposite angles. Now let's see more about this. So here we can see angle ACD is equals to angle A plus angle B. Similarly, if we consider angle BAE as the exterior angle, So BAE will be equals to angle B plus angle C. And the third exterior angle, that is angle CBF. As you can see here, so angle CBF will be equals to angle A plus angle C. So here we can see, so ACD is A plus B, BAE exterior is B plus C, and CBF exterior angle, that is the green one, is equals to angle C plus angle A. So exterior angle equals to sum of interior opposite angles. So the opposite angles here, as you can see here, angle A and angle C are opposite angles for the interior of CBF. So CBF is the exterior equals to angle A plus angle C. Now let's see a numerical so that we will know how to use the property. So let's consider triangle ABC where BC has been extended. Let angle A is 70 degree and angle B is 50 degree given in the triangle. So the question is, what will be the measure of angle ACD? So here we will be using the property as we want the exterior angle. So ACD will be nothing but angle A plus angle B. From the property we know exterior angle equals to sum of the interior opposite angles. So A plus B if we will add, we will get the exterior angle ACD. So here we can see angle A is 70, angle B is 50. So 70 plus 50 we get 120 degree. So angle ACD will be 120. So we can see here just we have to add the interior opposite angles. If you will add the interior opposite, we will get the exterior angle. Let's see one more. Here in this case, we can see angle B is given 40 degree and the exterior angle is given here. So here the exterior angle is already given, that is 120. We have to find one of the interior opposite angles, that is angle A we have to find out. So we will be using the same property again, that is ACD equals to A plus B. So exterior angle equals to the sum of the interior opposite angles. So here as we need to find angle A, so angle A we can get it by subtracting B from ACD. So by using the equation shifting method we can see here angle A equals to ACD minus angle B. So angle ACD is 120 and angle B is 40. So 120 minus 40 we get 80 degree. So here angle A will be 80 degree. So here we see that whenever we are finding exterior angle, we are adding it, and when we want an interior opposite, we have to just subtract it from the exterior. So one interior if we will subtract from the exterior, we will get the another interior opposite angle. Thank you and keep exploring.